In Renaissance Florence, 17,000 men were investigated or accused of sodomy between 1432 and 1502. In a city with a total population of only around 40,000, that is most men. And here are two of the cases. Bernardo Lorini was a former officer of the very magistrate that prosecuted sodomy, the Office of the Knight. He was 65 and married with 7 children when he was accused. In his shame, he sent one of his sons to confess on his behalf and beg for a discreet resolution. Historian Michael Rock and Guido Ruggiero suggest that sex between males in Renaissance Florence could operate as a kind of youthful rite of passage before marriage. This model suggests that roles would shift as men aged, grew beards, and got married, and Bernardo would fit this older male category. Some records even hint at categories like active and passive for participants in these relationships, and although we don't know what that meant back then, I'm sure some people today can have an idea of what it could have meant. Another and very different case is Jacopo di Andrea. He was a young bachelor described as a repeat offender and was implicated with over 40 adolescents during a 17-year period. He was convicted 13 times, and it's repeat offenders like this that have led scholars like James Saslow to ask, did a distinct same-sex subculture emerge within this pederastic environment? And by pederastic, historians mean relationships structured around age difference, typically between adult men and adolescent boys. So here's the question. Was this a structured queer culture? Was it a social rite of passage? Or even like I discussed in my last video, do you think that these numbers could have been inflated by fear, surveillance, and denunciation? Or was it somehow all three of those at once? Tell me what you think in the comments and join my channel if you want to discuss this further.